I am Ravi. I live in Bangalore along with my family. I have got 20 years of experience in the automotive engineering, and I work for General Motors. With my career aspirations to grow in the leadership positions as well as to be relevant in the industry with respect to the technical expertise, I felt there is something which I need to add to my skill sets, and at the same time I have to implement into my work. So that's where I think BITS came up with this WILP program, which talked about the quality management. Some of my colleagues who had did previously with the WILP gave me the feedback about how good is the course, and that gave me confidence. The postgraduate program, when I went for the online curriculum understanding, it had very nicely formulated material. It gave all the aspects which are relevant with respect to the engineering as well as the management aspects, and the second important aspect is relevant to the today trend. So that's where I felt this particular course is going to add a lot of value to my career, and at the same time it is going to take me to the next level very easily. So that is something which I felt BITS can do, and yes, it did for me. We had a subject strategic business planning and management. That course was taken by Mr. Sunil, who had industrial experience. So that was an awesome lecture which we were able to get to learn. And then second one was related to design of experiments by Mr. Shaibal Kumar Sen. So these were the two courses which I could like day-to-day relate to my work and implement. Simulations in this particular course was really good because BITS had a very good integration with Harvard University, and they had a lot of simulations lined up for different case studies. And when I go back to my work, I was really able to put the things into my work, and the best part is I was able to get one award in terms of the defensive publication through this, and gain a lot of accolades from the senior management for effectively utilizing the tools which I learned from my engineering, and I was able to put it into my work effectively. And it's not just utilizing, the company also gained cost advantage because of these reduction in the cost that I was able to bring through the process which I was learning from this course. Now, being a BITSian, I am very proud to recommend these courses to my fellow colleagues. WILP is not just a program which only should be looked at as a distance learning. It is not a distance learning. It is like you're in a virtual college, sitting in a place where you learn and you share your knowledge across all the people across the country. This WILP is one such program. Without taking a break in your career, you'll be able to do this course, and not just doing a course, you'll actually be able to implement as per your career aspirations. You have a framed subjects which are available within WILP. You can choose with a bouquet of courses. You can choose and you can be enrolling to that, and you will be relevant with the industry, and you will stay connected with the latest trends. So the people who want to get enrolled, I would strongly recommend, please don't take a break. You have everything available, and BITS is the answer for it.